Users. Because Create a Check is used to manage the printing of company checks, security is vital. Use this option to determine the level of access for each user authorized to use Create a Check. Click the Users menu tab or select Users on the Edit menu. The Users window is displayed. Users are listed in the Select User box after you add them. Information on the selected user is shown in the lower portion of the window. You can add, copy, or delete users. The fields associated with each user are user ID, an alphanumeric code to identify the user, up to 10 characters. This field is not case sensitive. Username, the user's full name, up to 40 characters. Password, an alphanumeric code up to 20 characters. This field is case sensitive. Confirm password. Type the password a second time to confirm that you entered it correctly. User privileges. Click the checkbox for each privilege you want to assign the user. Supervisor grants access to all Create a Check privileges. However, this does not automatically give the user all rights to all accounts. You assign users to accounts using the Assignments option. To maintain security on your system, you should grant supervisory privileges with discretion. Print grants access to the Print option. Without this privilege, the user cannot print checks of any type for any account. AP and PR manual checks grants access to the Manual Checks option for printing accounts payable and payroll manual checks. Manual checks or on-demand checks is used for checks where the information is manually entered rather than imported from the accounting package. Print reports grants access to the Reports option found within Create a Check. Vendor maintenance grants access to the Vendors option. These vendor records are solely used within the Create a Check system. Account maintenance grants access to the Accounts and Assignments option. Reprints grants access to the Reprint option under the File menu. The reprint option is used to print a check that has already been printed. File generation grants access to the File Gen function to process Positive Pay and ACH files. Signature thresholds. Use this option to set limits on the amount for which the user can print a check with a Create a Check printed signature. Specify the minimum and maximum dollar amounts for each signature. If the user prints a check for an amount above the specified maximum or below the specified minimum limit, the respective signature will not be printed. When you have finished making all entries to a user record, click OK to save the user record and exit the user's window. To save your entries without exiting the window, click Apply. You can click Apply at any time to save whatever information you have entered. If you forgot to enter any required information, you are prompted to enter it now.